You know, it's interesting. When you asked me that question, it took me back to a recent project that I just finished in Aspen. It was a ground up, so I was lucky enough to be able to have some control over it. But my client turned around to me and said, listen, we have two small bedrooms for the kids, but I want to be able to sleep eight. And I said, okay. So I remember being on my drafting board, trying to, just like a puzzle, fitting in two sets of full bunk beds into that room without clustering it with side tables and a smart chair. Like everything needed to happen in the drawing of, this bunk bed. And I remember playing around, and it turned out to be such a fun project for me because you really try to be creative. You do the storage underneath the bed, you create niches that's going to hold their water, their charging, everything becomes, when you think about it, everything is possible. I think a couple of the secrets that I try to follow, one of them is definitely try to not have anything on the floor. Use the walls very wisely. Mirror is a big thing because the reflection just makes everything seem a lot bigger. I often talk about using mirrors in bathrooms or in small areas, and everybody's so scared of it because of the 70s. But once we put it on, everybody loves it because you see the space being so much bigger and feeling a lot better. One of my other secrets that often my architects want to kill me with is I try to get every inch of inside of the walls because a lot of my storage is actually happening inside. So I get to borrow a few inches from inside and only come out a few inches. So I do that in bathrooms, I do that in bedrooms, I do that in hallways. Couple of other ways of grabbing storage, because I know it's very important for everybody, is that I really look at plans to see where there's, cavities. And with doing a flush wall of wood or doing some sort of a special finish, you can hide these doors very carefully, and they become incredible spaces for storage and for hiding things. But one of the other things that I love to do is to do a lot of floating furniture instead of using, the floor, to be able to use wall space and things like that.